জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
Nayan.
Do you want to say anything, sir?
That's why I came here. I gave it a thought. You told me I underestimated your worship by calling it love. But are you that great for real? Don't look at your feet, Nayan. Look into my eyes, Nayan. Don't you feel jealous to see Jasmine beside me? Don't you desire to make a family with me?
Don't tell me you have the greed. If you tell him everything, Tripto won't marry anybody else. You'll get Tripto married to someone.
Don't you feel the desire to become the daughter-in-law of this family? Tell me. Tell me, don't you desire? You do, Nayan. You do have the desire. Otherwise, you wouldn't have lied about mother's approval to stop Jasmine and my wedding.
How many times do I have to explain to you that mother doesn't approve of this wedding? Believe me, I'm not lying in mother's name. If mother wanted you and Jasmine to marry, I would never try to stop it. Believe me, sir. But I couldn't prove that it's mother's will. Nor will I be able to do that. Mother is in heaven, sir. And I don't know how to prove the existence of heaven. That's why I'm trying to gather other evidence. What did I do? I shouldn't have told Tripto all this now. Now if he asks me what the other evidence is, how will I manage that? What will I tell him? I don't understand.
That means you cannot prove mother's will. Fine. But what do you mean by other evidence? Nayan, why are you quiet? Answer me. What evidence?
No, I mean the evidence that Jasmine is not a good person. The evidence that Jasmine is not eligible for you, sir. Sir? Sir, you are laughing.
There. The jealousy inside you is coming out, Nayan.
Jealousy?
Yes, jealousy. Not just Jasmine. You can't stand anybody by my side. Nobody at all. You won't find anyone eligible for me. You'll disapprove of Jasmine saying she's a bad person. Tomorrow you'll disapprove again for a different reason. What happened? Why are you looking down? Nayan, admit what I'm saying. Admit that everybody is pushing you to be great. But actually, you are not that great, Nayan. In fact, you desire to be with me as my wife, am I right? Accept the truth, Nayan. You have no option but to accept this. That is why you easily pretended to be my wife to drive your sister out of this house.
I'm not greedy, sir. I'm not greedy. My Lourdes knows that I'm not greedy. I'm not greedy at all. I'm not. Whatever I do is not driven by greed, sir. Not at all. Believe me. Believe me, I don't think of them.
Then what did you think? You aspire to become great, don't you? Tell me! You aspire to be great.
Sir. Sir, I'm an ordinary girl. I want to stay ordinary. I don't want to be great. I can tell you one more thing, sir. I've seen utter poverty since my childhood. I had many chances to be greedy, but I did not do that. I'm not greedy today either, sir. I'm not greedy for anything.
Even after forcing so much, I couldn't make Nayan say that she desires to be my wife, that she wants to start a family. She stuck to her words. Fine. That means you won't admit the truth, right? No, what do you think? That you can be adamant. Can't I be the same? You're adamant about proving yourself to be great, right? Me too. I'll show you how adamant I can be. If it is proved that Mother doesn't want this wedding, then I'll call off the wedding with Jasmine. You were talking about collecting other evidences, right? I won't accept any other evidence, Nayan.
You won't accept it.
No, I won't. And these are my last words. None of your words can convince me anymore.
And if you come to know that Jasmine ma'am is dangerous, won't you change your mind? Will you still marry her?
That means now you'll cook up stories about Jasmine, right? Okay, so tell me, what are the lies about Jasmine? What have you cooked up? Jasmine also wants to murder me like Uncle Vicky, right? Nayan, I beg you. You used my mother to fulfill your desires. But don't drag Jasmine into this and use her as well. Please. I beg you.
This is what you think of me. This is what you think about me, sir. This is what you think.
Uncle, it's done.
Hey,
Leave it.
wait. Let me arrange the pleats properly.
Oh, no.
You're getting married. So look nice. Let me see.
1 second.
Move. Now you look perfect. All groomed.
1 minute. Mom? Mom?
Hey, your mom is busy. Let me check.
Mom, I'm ready. Won't you apply sandalwood on my forehead?
Deepu?
Come to me. Let me apply sandalwood. Come.
Mom? Mom, you are here to meet me? To apply sandalwood? But Nayan told me that you didn't agree to this marriage.
Do you agree, Deepu? What do you want?
Me? Mom, nobody asks me what I want in life.
You should ask yourself. You'll know what you want if you ask yourself.
You want to marry Jasmine, Deepu?
You have no option but to marry her.
The priest wants this marriage to happen, Deepu. You can't say
Your
no.
death is imminent, Tripto. Marriage is the only way.
But Mom asked me what I want. Didn't you, Mom? 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 Mom, where are you? Mom? Hey, Mom! Mom, where did you go? Mom.
Sir, you don't know what you want. How will you understand what I want?
Nayan,
The one who doesn't know himself, how will he get to know me?
Nayan, where are you going? Nayan, tell me where Mom went. Nayan, where are you going? Nayan!
তুমি মোর পাওনায়
Jayanta, I confirmed my wedding with Ripto and removed that girl from my way. Then how is she still singing? How come she seems so delighted?
Jasmine.
Madam, I have brought the photograph.
Very good. Keep the photo and wait outside.
All right.
How is it possible? How can Nayan have the photograph of Sudha and her father?
I don't know. I don't know anything. This picture has come to this house, which means... And Nayan knows... She knows something. Why did she bring it here?
Does that mean she went to Tarun Karmarkar's house? Otherwise, Nayan can't have this photograph.
Jayanta, I'm constantly telling you. You're not even ready to think about it. Look, Nayan has definitely found some connection between those flowers and Sudha. Nayan is up to something, Jayanta. Why is she lying to me? Why is she threatening me with flowers?
Wait, Jasmine. Don't jump to a conclusion. Let me think for a moment.
You keep thinking.
Hey, Jasmine, where are you going?
I can't tolerate that song. I just can't tolerate that song anymore. Somebody please stop it.
Jasmine, please calm down. Calm down. This is not the time to get mad. Why don't you understand? We can't lose our cool right now. First, we need to know and understand what and how much Nayan knows. Listen, I'm calling her and you tell her to keep the photograph back to where it was. Did you understand? Okay. Come in.
Madam,
Put that picture back exactly the way it was kept. Nayan should not get a whiff of it. Do you understand?
okay, madam. Don't worry.
How can I not worry? How can I not worry? Nayan is driving me crazy. No, Jayanta. I have to know what Nayan is planning at any cost.
পরম প্রকাশ রূপে সব আবরণ হোক লয় ঘুচুক সকল পরাজয় পাওনাই পাওনাই পরিচয় তুমি মোর পাওনাই পাওনাই পরিচয়
You haven't slept yet, sir?
No. I woke up worried.
What are you worried about, sir?
The wedding is day after tomorrow. That's the worry. Actually, I never get married on my own accord. Either father or mother, or the one whom I
Once got married to.
it's their wish.